Alright guys, we are in downtown area of Angeles, and we're going to just walk around here, do some people watching. We're going to try to find a little place to set up a camera, do a little time lapse for you, and we're going to spot out a location for that around the circle up here, which is pretty much smack in the middle of everything, near Apple Market, near the important part of Angeles downtown.
Yeah. KFC has a second story, and we can put the camera in the window of the second story and catch the entire circle there.
We can try that. We can try that. That'd be cool. Yeah, we're trying to set up for a time lapse that we're going to run, and we're trying to find a good location where we can stick the camera without facing the risk of having it stolen. So we're looking around, but this is the downtown area. I call it the roundabout. Down here to the right, the street starts where there's Apple Market, especially Fridays. They have huge market here with literally tens of thousands of people coming in. Sometimes it's so full of people in there that you can't even walk through there. So it's getting crazy. So you want to go and get something at KFC and
Buy a couple of drinks and go upstairs, and you see the window?
Yeah.
Sit at the window with the camera and then catch the lapse.
It's kind of empty right now, but
yeah.
Alright guys, we are right in the center of Angeles in the roundabout, and I'm about to put up a little time lapse for you, and we're going to do a little bit of walking around here, and we are going to record that. A lot of activities. It's starting to, traffic is building up. It's about 4 p.m. We're going to take a little walk around here for you. Yeah, this is the area where they have the Apple Market, right down this way. On Fridays they build up. There's stands everywhere. And here's another one of those Pure Golds. The largest, or one of the largest, grocery chains in the country, right?
Yes.
All right, so let's take a quick walk down this way and see. We made this to almost like a full day here in Angeles today, and we'll be putting out different kinds of videos for you today. So there's small little stores all over the place. around the streets, and they are everywhere. That's one thing with the Filipinos. They are really, entrepreneurs. They're running businesses. They're doing everything they can to make the daily bread, and it's pretty interesting. This is one of the streets we were the other night, right? Oh, it's further down, I guess.
Further down, this store. It's like very similar to the
Open market.
To the upper market, yes.
But they are. You want to walk down there and come over and come back this way? Let's go. Walk down here a little bit and check things out. That's a lot of things that sell here is clothes, and it is fairly cheap. I think I bought 5 pairs of underwears here last Friday, and I think I paid $5 total for it.
Yes.
$1 a piece.
Most people's footwear in the Philippines are
Flip-flop. Yeah.
So
Hello, hello.
smile for the camera.
All right, so this is the back of the Pure Gold, and here you got
big island out of 7,000, so many islands, whatever.
Man, there's a lot of vegetables and food and fruit. You know, you don't get up here too much, or I rarely ever get up here. Here you got some dry fish. Dried fish, yeah. And that's the one thing I have a little bit of a problem with here. Stuff.
Well, if the fish is not fresh, it wouldn't be moving, but look.
Yeah, it's kind of fresh because it's still moving.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Fresh fish.
Fresh fish.
Yeah, so we got some shrimp over here. Some shrimp. Yeah, let's go down this way and just take a look. It is pretty interesting though. Huh? Yeah, tilapia. That's probably. Huh?
Squid?
That's squid, right? Yeah. Tuna? Or what is it?
Looks like a bonito.
Bonito, yeah. That's. Yeah, this is everywhere here you have. The
only difference between...
Where are these?
These are camote.
Camotes. Are they good? Camote good? Yeah?
Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, your fish is still swimming. It's still alive, huh?
Fresh.
Oh yeah.
Fish. Milk fish.
Right. Well, that's not milk fish, right? That's milk fish.
There. Milk fish.
Yeah. Milkfish is too much bone for me.
Yes.
A lot of bone. All right.
The one thing the camera can't capture is the smell.
Yeah, the smell you can't capture. It is kind of fishy, I would say.
Fishy, yes.
Fishy
Fish.
smell. Fishy smell.
I was going to make a comment about an ex-girlfriend, but I should not.
All right. I'll be better now. So,
It's a lot better now. These are
Yeah.
the vegetables that we did the other day.
yeah, this is where we were the other day, yeah.
Yes.
So, let's head up this way and get us a jeepney, get back home, I guess.
Ma'am, kumain ako po. Joanna Lasset. Shopping.
Hello. How are you? You good? I'm doing good. You speak good English. She speaks really good English.
I love the kids. They're all
Yeah.
so friendly.
They're all
All the kids are friendly here.
they're all very friendly. That's one part I like about Philippines, you know. People are friendly, yeah. Now you carry a camera, they get all excited. A lot of fruits, a lot of mango. Oranges.
This way.
Huh? Go down here? Phone accessories, sunglasses.
Oh, the masks for the face. Have you
Oh
seen
yeah,
those?
yeah, yeah. Those are pretty funny, actually. Very common. You see people wearing these masks, right? This one looks pretty rough.
Looks like pretty rough. The other one looks pretty decent though.
Yeah, and they're like,
You like you buy this?
huh? Yeah. Now this looks like a bra,
Yeah.
but I guess it is a mask, right?
Yes, it is a mask.
Right. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Right.
Kay mãi oh. Yaman
Reading glasses. What's hard to find here is sunglasses with a little bit of reading glass prescription in it. Those are hard to find. All right. Upper Mart. Upper Mart. Do they ever close these things at night, or is it kind of open?
Yeah, it's closed. It's closed.
Wise Choice Enterprises. Some of these shops, you know, I mean, they're selling sunglasses, right, or prescription reading glasses for 50 pesos. You wonder how they survive in a store like that.
Yeah.
They got to sell a lot of glasses to pay the rent. All right, so should we head out this way?
Yeah, this block or next block, whichever you want.
All right. Yeah, the street over, that's our main street where we pick up a jeepney. Since we are getting ready to wrap this up, once we get up to the main street there, we're gonna wrap it up. Remodeling, reconstruction. And it's amazing, you know, how they do everything for hand. They even mix the concrete. And even do the, what do you call it? The screening of the sand, and everything is done by hand. It's pretty amazing.
Good job when you have no labor costs. But it slows down everything. At the end of the day, I don't know how much money you're saving.
I don't know, you know, I don't think they save a lot of money, but to keep 120 million people busy, they got to do something. And I think that's why the development is going slow too, because they're afraid that machinery and other things is going to take over the work and leave people without work. Otherwise, Philippines is a really progressive country, though. All right, so here we're coming out to the main street. No trike now. So from here we are going to take a trike and head back home. So and here's Umberto. So we're gonna wrap this up, Umberto, and we'll say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye, everyone.
And thank you for watching.
Thank you.
God bless. Bye-bye.